Imagine. If you could make a car. If you could make a rocket. Or just a simple toy for your children. Imagine if you can make everything that you can see around you. From a simple box to a complicated mechanism. I was the one of those kids that always wanted to build, create, and make something new. Well, when now I have learned it, it is time to share my knowledge with you. With the help of this channel, you will be able to start your journey in 3D modeling world. You will find easy step-by-step tutorials for absolute beginners and intermediate designers. If you are already subscribed to my channel, I really do appreciate. And if not, then please, take into consideration subscribing, because a lot more videos coming soon.
Then I will make one more line 20 millimeters high and I hit escape to exit line.